This video tutorial is for parent or guardians of incoming first-year students who are completing their housing application and are under the age of 18 at the time of filling out the application. Your student will first read through the housing agreement and complete their e-signature. On the second page of the housing application, they'll be required to fill out a variety of questions related to their living preferences. On the third page, the page that you see here, they'll be required to fill out their preferred parent or guardian contact. This information that is in the preferred parent or guardian contact is important as this is where the under 18 verification will be sent to if your student is under the age of 18 at the time of completing their housing application. At the very bottom of the page, you'll want your student to input the email address where they want the under 18 verification to go. So for this example, we'll type in my email address and click Save this contact. Again, as this is part of the housing application, this is the piece of information that your student will need to fill out. But it's important to talk with them to be sure that they are sending this under 18 verification to the correct email address. Once they complete this portion of the application, they'll click Continue and finish the application. There's a separate tutorial on completing the housing application for your student, which they can refer to on our website. Upon completing the housing application, your student will see this Application Complete page. There's also a section here that states if you are under the age of 18, your housing application is not yet complete, as a parent or legal guardian signature is required. So this is where the parent or legal guardian will want to navigate over to the email that was input in the preferred parent or guardian contact within the housing application. Depending on your email preferences, this verification email might end up in your inbox. However, sometimes it looks like spam, and some email accounts will automatically put it in the spam inbox. If it shows up in your normal inbox, you'll want to follow the instructions as listed in the verification email. This next portion of the tutorial video will show you how to navigate the parent or guardian verification email if it ends up in your spam inbox. Shortly after your student completes the housing application, you should receive the parental verification email. Once in the spam inbox, you should see an email from JCU Res Life, and the subject line will say Parental Verification for Student Housing Application. Again, it looks like this in your spam folder, if it goes to your spam folder. So you'll click on that email, and you might have a warning pop up, and you can just click Looks Safe. And you might notice that as you're reading through this, it says, please click on this link. And the link is not active because this email is still in your spam folder. So what you'll want to do is if the spam label is on this email, you'll click the X to remove the spam label from this email, and it will then go into your regular inbox. Once in your normal inbox, click the verification email. It should be at the top of the inbox list, and you'll notice that the link is now hyperlinked. Next, you'll want to copy the code in the email and click on the link. You'll see here that your student's name will show that they have submitted the housing application, but the housing application is not complete until the parent or guardian completes their under 18 verification signature. So again, you'll click that hyperlink, and you'll be required to input your verification code and click Submit. Next, you'll be prompted to read through the housing agreement and the cancellation policy and complete the e-signature at the bottom of the page. You'll also see your verification code that you inputted above the e-signature box. Once complete, you'll want to click Verify Application, and you'll receive a completion page. Once This is complete for any under 18 student. Their housing application is then complete. If the under 18 verification email does not end up in the regular inbox or the spam inbox, feel free to give our office a call at 216-397-4408 so we can help troubleshoot or resend the under 18 verification email.